What's up, family? I wanted to show you something I just came up with for my cart. I think it was pretty cool. So I've been having issues when I put my machine here. Sometimes it'll try to tilt back, you know. And if I don't have a bottle, like say if I'm just using regular flux core, I ain't got a bottle on here, then you know it can be difficult if I'm not TIGging. So what I did was I made this. Got one of these welded on both sides. Twisted there. Bam. So now I can tilt it back. And it got a stop on it right here, you see. So it can only go so far. So that way when I got my machine here, I don't have to worry about all of my stuff tilting over. So I thought that was pretty neat, man. When I came up with, just wanted to share that with you. Rig welding 101. Hold on.